3 reasons why any person don't get success and how you can overcome that and you can get your success right away. So my name is Asmal Ansari. I'm going to discuss about that in details. Let's see one by one. Number 1 reason. You don't need information. You need a structured information. I said by the Siddhartha Sekhar, he always said that you need a structured information. If you want information, you can get a lot of information on the YouTube and Google. And you can get any information, any part of that in Google. So why need to join anything, any courses or any colleges? Because you need to get a structured information. And whatever guide is there, whatever influencer is there, if somebody is guiding you, if somebody giving some courses, and in that course, if you have the structured manner format, then you should join that. And in that way, you can get knowledge without wasting a lot of time swimming in the YouTube pool. Because YouTube has a lot of data, and you cannot get to know that what is wrong and what is good for you. That's why we need a structured format, and that format already somebody is following, and if he or she is teaching you, then you must do that. Okay? Let's talk about number 2. You don't need self-education because you need somebody to be accountable of. If you learn something by self, you can do that. But if you're accountable to someone else, then it will be in your mind that somebody is going to check you, so you'll be curious about that learning process, and you'll see and you'll learn all the things which, because you need to give result and account to other person, because you are accountable for other person. And the thing is, once you become accountable, you can achieve any result, and you study deeply whatever things you are doing. So let's talk about number 3. And number 3 is most important things, because if you are doing anything, you cannot be freedom, like you cannot be free, because if you want to get something, you need community. Because if you are doing something else and nobody is taking care of you and you are not being a part of something, then you might lose in the market. If you want to get something and fast, you need to be in community. You can see so many in before also, you can, any religion is there, that religion has some community, and every community have some certain rules and guidance. That's why if you are following something and if you want to grow your business, you also should join some of the community related to your business. Then only you will follow the rules and pattern of your business and will get the success. If you don't follow this pattern and guidance and whatever rules is there in that community, you're definitely going to fail. So my suggestion is, find out which is the community is best for you in your industry, and join in that community and be a part of that and be a motivated person of that community. Then only you can get any result and you can get any benefit out of that situation. I hope if you follow these 3 things, like first one is you need a structured information, second thing is that you need somebody to be accountable of, and third thing is that you need to be a community. Once you follow all these 3 things, definitely success is going to come your way. It may take some of the time, but definitely you are going to get the success. If you fail with any of these 3 things, you may or may not get the success. So I hope you get the message, and if you like this video, click the like button and share with the other person also, so that other person also get the benefit from this video. And if you want to know more about the business and success and how to be more successful in business, please subscribe this channel, because I will keep on putting some of the video related to your business and success and how to manage your business. See you in the next video. Goodbye.